Hey, good Sunday morning, Don here. We're going to be cleaning this aluminum trailer today. Now, this water filter right here, we had to put this on. This is from Tractor Supply, just so I can operate the machine until the 24th gets here. These filters are on order. We got to put ball valves on each side there and another filter over there. We're not even running that machine. I'm not going to run it until I get there on the 24th. I don't want to take a chance on sucking some stuff up out of this tank into there. That wouldn't be a very good thing. But anyway, the water system is not even complete yet, so we got a couple things we got to do to wrap this up. As all of you know, Ameritech took me in on an emergency call and replaced both pumps. And they did it in 4 hours. What a lucky guy I am. Anyway, enough of that. This trailer needs to be cleaned. It is dirty. Look at it. And there's some other tricks of getting this other stuff off, that brown stuff right there. That'll all come off. Everything's going to clean up nice. There's a couple steps in doing it and getting it to look new again. But Pink Power is the chemical I'm going to be using today. And you can get this at Ameritech. I was doing a job about 3 months ago, and I had a customer ask me if I wanted some rust remover. And it just happened to be 5 gallons of Pink Power. How lucky is that? That's a product I use, and it's a product where I buy everything, Ameritech. Where else would you go? All right, the first step in cleaning this is to cover these engines up really good. The 55-gallon drum bag fits right over the top. Then I take another one, and I want to cover up the pump. I don't want to get any of this Pink Power on there. It'll discolor the plastic. It's just very abrasive. So the first step is to do that. Clear off all the mini Mondoos and all your supplies off of here. Everything off except for whatever's left and bolted down. All right, we're going to mix this strong today. I'm going to go, as you can see, I'm like a half a gallon, a little bit over a half. I'm just going to fill it up, put a quart of that stuff in there, and it's going to be strong, strong, strong. So next step. First step's the bags over the motors. Second step is to go ahead and wet the whole rig down with some fresh water. There's the hose. It's turned on. We just got to cover up the Zeta on this side with a bag. You only take one bag for that one. I didn't do it yet, but you want to cover up this machine as well, okay? Then at the end, it'll all look new because I'll brighten it up with some WD-40. That's a magical thing right there, WD-40. And we'll show you how it works after we're done getting this thing set up. All right, we'll be right back after we get done wrapping up that Zeta. All right, let's get after it. All right, we got it all wet down. All right, now we're ready to apply the chemicals. Now we'll go ahead and do this one side, and I want you to recognize a few things before we get started. Always wear your safety glasses. You don't want this stuff in your eye. You'll go blind in a minute. And always start your cleaning from the bottom. This one, you don't want to get in here and then have to get in here if it's dripping from up there. All right, so it's pretty simple. You just spray it on. As you can see, it's foaming up already. This stuff's like magic. It's really good for removing rust, sprinkler rust, fertilizer rust. I'm leaving this Mondo handle on here because I want to brighten it up. And try not to breathe it in either. It's pretty strong stuff. Now you want to get the skid as best you can without, blasting it. I mean, anything that's on here, spray it down. Toolboxes, everything. Been a while since we've done it, so we'll let it soak a while today. Let it eat this stuff off of here. All right, now we've got halfway underneath. Go ahead and get this top rail. It's always good to maintain your image and clean your equipment. And make sure you maintain it. It'll last a lot longer. All right, we'll be back with the results. All right, let's have a look and see what's going on here. Check this out. It's eating it alive. Okay, like I said, the rest of that stuff will come off. We have different methods. So you want to get down the side of that skid over there. Got underneath this one real good. Yeah, I'll have to hit that from over there. Just left a little bit of spray left in case there's some touch-ups to do. And there's some black stuff right there. Anyway, we'll let it sit for a little bit longer. You can see it's brightening it up really nice. Fenders are looking better. Racks are looking good. The toolbox looks good. The reels all look really good. All right, got underneath this skid really good under the Zeta, all behind there. Yeah, all right. Now when we get the new filters put in and the ball valves, we'll have mounts for the filters and everything like we did before. Make it look professional and efficient to change the filters out really quick. Being able to turn your water off from the buffer tank's a plus. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. Let's go ahead and rinse this thing off and see what we come up with here. And then we'll do the other maintenance tricks to get the other stains off. All right, let's get after it. All right, we're back. Most important thing you can do, and you must do it or you'll never use this again. Rinse it out real good. As you can see, this is what's coming out of the tube after I got done rinsing it out, the jug out. So you always want to rinse this out. Reason being is that it's going to crystallize and this nozzle right here will never work again. Okay? The rig came out really nice. I got some spots here that I'm going to rinse off here in a second. Just want to make sure that this gets taken care of here. Can never run enough water through this, so just do it for about a minute or so and that'll be good. All right, we'll be right back for the final look of that and then the WD-40 magic. All right, let's get after it. All right, you see those stains right there? I know you do. Watch this. You guessed it, baby. WD-40, best stuff since sliced bread. That doesn't even look like it's doing anything, right? Well. We'll just have to see about that, won't we? He's reaching in, folks. Okay, as you can see, That's going to take care of that. It'll take care of all of it. Now, when it just a little bit left like that, just go ahead and shoot a little bit more over there, and a couple. When it's real bad, it takes a couple to get it off. But the deck's getting clean. It just all depends on how clean you want to get after it. I was always told by my dad, either you do the job right or just don't do it at all, son. And another good one was, we're getting ready to go to the hospital, boy. You to get my foot out of your ass and me to get my shoe back, you know? I wish parents would raise their kids like that some more. Maybe we get some respect. All right, I'm Don from Super Blast. We'll be back for the finished look. All right, here we are for the finished look. But first, check out that. That's my wife's Kawasaki. We got a whole line of Kawasaki's here. Look at that. We got a 650 Versus, a Z125, a 400 KRT, Kawasaki race team. All these bikes, both these bikes are all custom powder coated by Max Cheese. Joseph Bevan, look him up on Facebook, and if you need some powder coating, go ahead and get after it. It's my wife's vehicle. Very awesome. We'll be right back for a final view of the rig and how it came out. Get after it. Oh, all right, let's have a finished look. Everything is looking really good. Always have a place for things, okay? We got our injector soaking in our filter down there in the bucket of fresh water, along with another injector that wasn't bad the other day when I thought it was. So we got two good injectors soaking in the water. Always put it in the water, okay? You want a nice rig? Call Ameritech, 813-978-0809. Organization is always key, okay? Got everything we need in here. Tools, extra stuff, you know, all your stuff. WD-40, you got your glasses in here. You got your turbo nozzles in here. I got turbo 1, turbo 2. The jumper hose to go to 12 gallons a minute or 16. Well, actually, it's going to be 21 gallons a minute. You won't ever see that being used unless I got like 3 water supplies. But the rig came really nice and clean. Looks brand new again, okay? Just like these cat pumps. WD-40 cleaned all the stains off, and it rejuvenates the engines. Everything looks new. I mean, you try to keep it looking as good as you can. And we have this custom rack for holding your gallon jugs. You know, I got some bleach neutralizer, all kinds of stuff in here. Sticky Icky Apple. That's about it. And then I got some window cleaner for the van, and I got my pump up sprayer right there, my 1 gallon one. The Mini Mondu. Go ahead and sits up here in this little carrier. And remember, don't ever tell a man what to do. Leave it to the professionals. Then we have the 49-inch Mondo and its little carrier. We got 225 gallons of water. Got a nice water filter system up here. These valves control the proportioner. So right now, this valve is here. It's telling me we want some SH out of here. So if I want SH from the middle tank, I switch this up and go over there, and when that valve over there is sticking up, it's an open freeway to these valves. Now if I want to pull SH from the last tank, then I just flip that valve over there, over that way, and we can get SH out of all 3 tanks. Pretty cool. And this is one of the things that I don't think anybody else has. Do you? That's where I keep all the wands, man. I have my soft launch guns here for the Zeta, and that's my regular wand, and I have an extra one in there, right? In case somebody wants to join in. But anyway, that's the easiest way I know to keep the rig clean. And the Zeta looks all new. WD-40 brings all these things to life. So the last thing I like to do is start everything up, make sure everything works. You have to start this just to make sure it runs. Let's get this one over here. yesterday, I had to replace this line right here. You can feel pressure coming through here and here. This one will be blowing out next, I'm sure. More power. All these reels cleaned up real nice. They also have LED lights. This one baby's on. 1, 2, 3, and there's one over there. Alright. Alright, that's going to conclude today's video. I'm going to jump on this bad boy. I got this Arctic cooler, man. So I think it's going to be comfortable. We're going to take it for a couple mile ride here. Take a little break for today. I think I'm done playing around. And I'm probably going to work on the motorcycle trailer this afternoon. Never ends over here. I like to keep busy and get after it. Alright, I'm Don. We'll see you tomorrow at the job site. Have a good rest of your Sunday, alright? Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for your support. Leave a comment on what you think about what you saw today, alright? Get after it.